Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech World. Today's discuss India and Australia's relationship. India and Australia defense ties have witnessed a significant upsurge in recent years, particularly under the ambit of the Indo-Pacific strategic architecture. While much of this cooperation is often seen throughout the less the Quad or US-led frameworks, India and Australia are increasingly asserting a bilateral strategic convergence that is rooted interests independent of American patronage and historical background. India and Australia share a colonial past as part of the British Commonwealth, with early corporations during both World Wars. However, during the Cold War, relations remained limited due to differing strategic alignment. India and pursued non-alignment, while Australia was family in the Western Bloc. Economic reforms in India during the 1990s and changing the regional dynamics, particularly China's rise, led to renewed engagement. The relationship gained a momentum with the 2009 strategic partnership and was elevated to the comprehensive strategic partnership in 2020, reflecting growing convergence areas such as trade, defense, and Indo-Pacific security beyond their earlier limited bilateral interactions. India and Australia relations beyond the American shadow. Independent and strategic convergence. Both nations share concerns over China's assertiveness in the Indo-Pacific. Their cooperation is shaped by mutual interest, not merely by US alignment or pressure. Bilateral defense corporations agreements like the Mutual Logistics Support Agreement MLSA 2020 and Joint Military Exercise example AU Syndex Pitch Black so direct bilateral engagement defense are institutionalized throughout the 2+2 ministerial dialogues dependent of US platforms, Indo-Pacific visions and maritime security. Both support are the face a free, open and rules-based Indo-Pacific collaboration. Thought. Indian Ocean initiatives independent of the US Navy or command structure. India's infrastructure fusion center IOR including Australia Corporation. Economic and technology engagement, growing trade ties, education, changes and corporations in the critical and emerging technologies, cybersecurity, AI, clean energy, burden ties beyond defense and beyond US influence, strategic autonomy and middle power diplomacy. India follow a multi-alignment strategy, while Australia is diversifying its partnership amidst tensions with China as middle power. Both aim to balance global power without becoming dependent on any single hegemon, including the US. Horsley plant. India-Australia ties are not longer hostage to third-party dynamics, underline the maturing of the relationship into a independent strategic partnership, not merely shape geopolitics shaped by US policies. Counters of defense corporations, bilateral defense exercise, AU Syndex, naval and pitch black, air combat, single growing, portability. India invited Australia to Malabar 2020, indicating deeper trust.